apple means save. Mango, mango mean aam. Banana, banana mean kela. Melon, melon mean tarbuza. Watermelon, watermelon mean tarbuza. Grapes, grapes mean angur. Peach, peach means adu. Orange, orange means malta. Strawberry, strawberry means strawberry. Pears, pears means nashpati. Pomegranate, pomegranate means anar. Papaya, papaya means papita. Custard apple means custard apple. Kiwi, kiwi means kiwi. Lychee, lychee means lychee. Guava, guava means amrud. Let's say again. Apple, orange, mango, pears, banana, melon, watermelon, papaya, grapes, guava, lychee, strawberry, peach, custard apple, pomegranate, kiwi.